Hello, welcome to second semester Algebra 1. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Cecil. Let's take a quick look at your course. So when you first log into Schoology, it's going to look like this, where you have a feed in the middle that has all the recent updates. On the right side, you'll have your upcoming assignments. So you can access all your items that are due over here on the right, but you can also just go to our course. So I recommend going to our course whenever you log into Schoology. Okay, so let's go to course information. So here's my contact information. My email is here. That's the best way to get a hold of me. I'll check my email at least once a day, but usually I check it multiple times a day. Okay, under course information, here is where you can find our calendar. So I would recommend printing this off and keeping it somewhere that you have access to frequently, because it has all of our dates listed here. If you notice, our first assignment is due June 4th, and there's actually 5 things due on June 4th, and then quite a few on June 5th, June 6th, etc. Once the class gets started, it goes very quickly. Okay, so the course runs May 31st through July 6th. There will be 3 to 6 assignments due every day, Monday through Thursday. So all of Monday, all of Tuesday, all of Wednesday, all of Thursday. Plan to spend 2 to 3 hours per day working on this course. You can always work ahead if necessary. So if you're going to be on vacation or something, you need to get them done before you leave, it's fine to work ahead. And there's a mandatory final exam that you'll have to take in person either on July 6th or July 2nd. I don't know the times yet. I will keep you posted on when I get those. But you'll take it in person at Lee Summit North. Your grades. So your tests are weighted more than your homework. So tests are 63% of your grade. That's tests and quizzes. Homework is 27%, so that's your assignments. And then the final is 10%. For late work, so the first thing that you turn in late, there won't be a penalty. But anything past that, if it's just consistently turned in late or you wait till the very end to try to get things done, then there will be given some sort of late penalty up to 50%. So just do your stuff on time. It'll be much better for you and much easier if you just do it on time. If you happen to be enrolled in both first semester and second semester, the courses actually run at the same time. So really you should be doing Unit 1 in first semester at the same time you're doing Unit 6 in second semester. Well, with math, that's kind of hard to do because the stuff that you are doing in Unit 6, you really need to know how to do stuff from Unit 1. So if you would like to complete all of first semester before beginning second semester, I developed this modified calendar which allows you to do all of first semester first and then start second semester. But they both have to be done by July 6th. So as you can see, there are quite a few assignments due every day. So there would be 6 to 9 items due every day, and you would need to spend 4 to 5 hours per day working on the class. You would also need to sign up for both finals on July 2nd or 6th, not 6th or 10th, 2nd or 6th. That was a typo. Okay. Under the expectations, you can find the calendar again. But something I really want to note is that you need to check your email every day. This is the only way that I have to communicate with you. So if I have any questions or there's anything I need to tell you, I will be emailing you. Then if you have any questions, email me. Most days there's 3 to 6 items due. You can do assignments and then test reviews an unlimited amount of times. So if you don't do well the first time, go back and redo it again. As long as it's before the due date, you could do it 10 times if you wanted to. I'll show you in a minute, but for each lesson, there's a video that I've created that walks you through the lesson. So when you're watching the videos, take notes and work out the examples. It'll make you understand it a lot better. You can always pause and rewind as well. The quizzes, there's 1 to 2 quizzes per unit. These count towards your test grade. You'll get 2 chances to do the quiz. So if you don't do well the first time, you can go back and redo it. Tests, don't open until you do all the assignments and the review done. You have to get at least a 75% on the review for the test to open. You can only do these one time, so make sure you feel prepared for them before you start. Again, email me if there's anything that you have a question about before you would do the test. Okay, so let's go back now and let me show you like our first assignment. So here in Unit 6, I'm going to Unit 6, Assignment 1, and I have to click on Preview. You won't have to do that. So here's the video, and then you would have Start New Attempt. So this is what the video looks like. This one's pretty long, 17 minutes and 45 seconds. They're usually right around 10 minutes. This one just happened to be a longer one. Yeah, they're not normally that long. And then you would Start New Attempt, and they are 5 questions per assignment. So they're not really long assignments, and they're usually not long videos. But you know, it can take some time if you want to redo them, or if it's something a little bit more difficult. Okay, so make sure after you finish this video, go back to the orientation folder and do your orientation quiz and your academic honesty agreement. So this is due tonight, like our first day, May 31st. Get this done. These are easy test points, this orientation quiz and academic honesty agreement. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you. Good luck.